The tools and resources you previously accessed via the vessel portal are now fully integrated into CrewCompanion. Introducing the new and much improved Marlow document library. Find what you're looking for, faster than ever before. Let's take a closer look. From your browser of choice, navigate to crew.marlowgroup.io. After login, you will be greeted with the CrewCompanion Web dashboard. Looking at the top tab bar, navigate to Marlow Resources. From the drop-down menu, click on Document Library. Here, you will be presented with the new Document Library screen. To the left you will find filters and tags associated to each document. These are even searchable and can be combined to narrow down the documents relating to each specific field. To make the interface more convenient, the filter panel can even be collapsed to view those documents with larger titles. Not sure which file is the correct one? You can further search by file title or content found in the document, saving you valuable time and effort. All documents can be easily found, viewed or downloaded to your device. That way you have everything you need for your assignment, whether you're connected or not. Experience the efficiency and convenience of the new Marlow document library, on web and mobile. Your files organized and accessible, anywhere, anytime.